Hey guys, so let's create our database. Let's go to our phpMyAdmin, and then here let's create the new, and then let's um, input the database name. So let's just use students as our database name, and then let's go click the create button. Then here in this page, let's create the table. So let's just use user's name and then click go. After that, let's set the columns our ID, which will be an auto increment, and then let's the username. This will be a character, and then password character. Let's set them to null by default, and then here let's add the length, so 191 for the username, and then for password let's add 500. So in the future we're going to make it or encrypt the password. So let's create the created app, and then we have to select datetime, then let's save. So actually let's add another one, and then we can call it create updated add. Same thing, it will be datetime type, and then set to null, and then save. So now we have our simple table with columns. Now let's try to insert data. So let's just click the insert so we can manually insert. So here on the username, let's use Chando, and then here just use test password. Here I'm just going to click select the current time and date and go. So if we look at our table, so we have one user added to our system.